So in this Instagram tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete a comment on an Instagram post here on Instagram. So if you have Instagram open up, let's say you want to comment on a photo. So I'm just going to go to the search bar right here. I'm going to go to Instagram's, page. I'm going to go to their most recent post right here. I'm then going to go to the comment section and just comment on this video. So if I wanted to comment, for example, how about I comment a GIF? I'll just comment this GIF right here of a cat, just for fun and demonstration. I'll just do this cat right here. There you go. I've now made a comment. As you can tell, now if you want to delete the comment, it's pretty simple. Just simply slide your comment. So press on your comment here and slide it to the left. Then in the red, this little trash bin icon comes up. Simply just press on the trash bin icon, and there you go. You've now deleted the comment here on Instagram. So that's how you guys can delete a comment on an Instagram post on Instagram. I hope this video helps.